So today I'm attempting to fit some IKEA mesh drawers. Want a little bit contrast colour, so I've chosen the grey ones and I'm going to be fitting them there. How hard can it be? So it comes in plastic, which is not great. Some runners, instructions, and then the small fiddly bits. Here's a basket. It's got 2 corners with 3 dots. So for that you need one of each piece. That is the top piece, that's the bottom one, and they marry together. So you just slide that into the 3 holes. Make sure that is right way up. And click. Let's do it the other side. Good old IKEA. There you go, just close that side. Another one goes that side, and then it runs on it then. So the mechanism goes through here, and it's just like, and stops. Needs a screwdriver. So this is where it's going to slide on this one. So we put the IKEA Pax wardrobe units. It's a smaller size. Solid. Should I see one side? Make sure it works. It's going to slide here and it's going to go nicely. So let's fit the other side. Need 2 little screws and this one. Once it starts going in, obviously it's easy. Just need your manpower. Planning storing some yarn and hopefully use it up. The runners are on, the basket is ready. Wow, voila. Lots of packaging. So IKEA, sort yourself out. I want a little bit overflow space, don't I? Oh goodness sake, why can it be so fiddly? You thought sewing was fiddly? Oh my goodness. It's not coming out. No way is it coming out. Getting hang of it at the end of probably. Just ensuring the right way up. If you're hearing some noise in the background, it's kids of making themselves a bath. So it's just next door. Oh, that's plenty. Just check it goes and 2 done, 1 to go. Oh, I'm like professional there. So last one, just need to make sure they're tightened up. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Nice.